Hello traders! In this video, we'll learn to execute trades based on the position size calculator output using the PSC-Trader script. Here we have the PSC panel with stop loss and take profit set. Let's run the PSC-Trader script and see what happens. The position is now open. In the Experts tab, we can see the log of the trade's execution. Let's close it. Now let's try a pending order. But let's do it with a hotkey. To set a hotkey, right-click on PSC-Trader and choose Set Hotkey. Here you can set a launch combination to start with either Alt or Control. Set the main key. Pressing Alt-Z. Voila! A pending order. Now let's proceed to the Script tab. The Script tab lets us control how the PSC-Trader script behaves. A magic number is useful only with expert advisors, so we will just skip it. Let's try adding a commentary. As you can see, it's been applied to the new order. Disabling trading when lines are hidden helps us prevent accidental trades. As you can see, nothing happens. The log says why. Max slippage lets us control how much slippage we tolerate. It's rather useless here with a demo account. Max spread lets us control how much spread we tolerate to avoid unexpected widening. Maximum stop loss helps against accidentally setting an SL too far. Minimum stop loss prevents the opposite errors. As you can see, the trade doesn't get through because our stop loss is less than 100. Setting it too far also prevents the trade execution. Setting it within the minimum-maximum range lets the trade pass. Maximum position size will cap the maximum trading volume the script will process to prevent accidentally large trades. As you can see, only 2 lots have been opened. Subtract open positions volume checkbox will make the script count existing trades against the total volume to be executed. First, let's open an initial trade of 0.82 lots. Now let's set a bigger order of 2 lots. As you can see, the script opened only the difference volume, 1.18 lots. This checkbox will do the same, but also counting the current pending orders. Let's open a few. As you can see, it only opened a 1-lot order to get to the total of 3 lots. Now you've learned how to open trades and place pending orders using the position size calculator with the PSC-Trader script. Thanks for watching. See you later.